In this video, we're going to ensure that our title, subject, author, and keywords are set from within our PDF. And this is a specific requirement for documents trying to meet Section 508 or WCAG standards. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. To set our title, subject, author, and keywords, we're going to select the menu button and then select Document Properties. And under the Description tab, we're going to fill out our sections. Now, I like to put the H1 as my title, and in this example, it's WCAG 2.1 AA and Section 508 checklist for PDF. The author is the Accessibility Guide, and the subject is PDF checklist for WCAG and 508. And then we also want to put in our keywords, which I sometimes will just repeat what was already put into the subject and keywords. In addition to that, this is where we can check the language of our PDF. Under the Advanced tab, under Reading Options, we have the language set to English. If you have a different language in here, you would choose which language it was as the main language. If we wanted to, we could open up the additional metadata button, and you could put custom options under here, but for Section 508 and WCAG, it is just most important that you have your metadata filled out appropriately. When you're done, you simply select OK, and then save your file. If you want to get your hands on this WCAG Section 508 checklist, check out the link in the description of this video. Or if you want to join our exclusive community of where you can learn how to make your own files accessible, there's a link in the description for that too. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.